they know where to go where they feel welcome.
Right.
And that is not how we approach our content writing and even design. Is that we want, and that was the service to others, is just how do you make people feel welcome, all people, so that they will come back?
Right, and as you say, all people, and then kind of the hit back to that is saying, well, it's only a small percentage, so I don't need to worry about it. I'm sorry, I'm playing the devil's advocate rather than saying this is what I think.
Oh, I
But
hear it
it's
all the
not
time. Really?
right.
Small percentage? Do you have, yeah, and we can, yeah. Okay, here we
Off
go.
you go.
But I don't have the numbers, but I think offhand about 20% of the entire global population right now has some disability. But we don't see it, we don't hear it, people don't talk about it, they don't share it. They're afraid to in many cases. And there's a lot of things that get in our way, like colorblindness. You don't think of that as
Oh, and dyslexia as well.
right, dyslexia, ADD, ADHD, autism. Um, we
Wow.
always think, oh, I'm not blind, I'm not deaf, I don't have to worry about those people. But it encompasses so many stress. Try doing anything when you are under stress. Your brain reacts to that.
Right.
And if you're using a website or an app or something in an emergency, that is, thank you.
Well, hang on, just sorry, because this is also audio. 1 billion people, 15% of the world's population experience some form of disability. Persons with disabilities, on average, as a group, are more likely to experience adverse socioeconomic outcomes than persons without disability. So it's a
Yeah,
massive number of people with a massive disadvantage in today's society, and we can help them. But also, you're saying here, helping them will also help us because they feel welcome on our websites, and that's going to expand our audience.
right. And they know where to refer.
Brilliant. And sorry, the list.